Hello and welcome to the Advanced React course. I am Rasheed Bustamam, and in case if you haven't taken my React course previously, let's tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Abdul-Rasheed Bustamam, you can call me Rasheed. I'm a full-stack engineer, and I have lots of experience with lots of different server-side and client-side frameworks. I just like learning about different technologies, understanding what their use cases are, and just trying to build stuff with them. A couple of projects I've built. First one that I'm really happy with is a commodity visualization app for MIT's logistic lab. And this is a project that I worked on as my full-time job. And it was fun. I learned a lot about SVG code, WebGL, and 3D technologies on the browser. It was a lot of fun just learning about these different things like shaders and stuff. As I mentioned before, I just like messing around with different technologies. And on the other side of the spectrum, another map application. It's a decentralized application based on the Ethereum Blockchain, and this is called Layer 1. Having a lot of fun building this as well. It's still in progress. And of course, outside of building things, I do training and course authorship with a local credit union called SAFE, Zenva, of course, and other large e-learning providers. I just like teaching what I learn, and then I learn more, and I teach more. It's a fun loop. About this course, Advanced React is sort of vague. So what exactly are we going to cover? Well, the first thing is React Router. React Router is a client-side routing framework, and it's very widely used in a lot of front-end web applications. And it's very easy to use. You'll learn how to use React Router very quickly. We're also going to learn how to use Glamorous, which is a CSS in JS solution. This lets us write what seems to be inline styles. However, they actually compile to class names, which gives us a lot of power in terms of how fast our styles are rendering. So we get really fast rendering styles and all the benefits of CSS without any of the downsides like cascading and scoping and stuff like that. The main crux of this course is Redux, of course, and we're going to learn how to use Redux by building it first. And it may seem kind of weird, but we can build it really simply, really fast. You'll actually be surprised at how simple Redux is. And I'm actually surprised at how few people teach it this way, because the way I learned Redux, very complicated, took me 3 months to learn. We're also going to learn about React Redux. Most times people like to combine Redux and React Redux, and people don't understand the difference between them. We're actually going to use Redux without React Redux so you can understand exactly what Redux does and then understand what React Redux allows you to do on top of that. We're going to use a browser-side cookie called JS cookie, and that is in order so that we can do client-side JWT authentication. JWT, of course, stands for JSON Web Token, and we've already built a server so that gives you a JSON Web Token. We'll just learn how to deal with it on the client side. The course project can be viewed here, zenva-hn.herokuapp.com. I'm on the free tier, so please, please, please be nice. Don't do anything that you wouldn't do on your own website that's deployed on Heroku. Now, I don't have a credit card registered for Heroku, so even if you decide to put a whole bunch of posts, and this is not a dare, but if you do decide to, I think my app will just crash, and then nobody will get to use it. So just be nice, add a couple posts, delete a couple posts, and don't try to see how big the numbers can go. I haven't tried that personally, but it'll probably lead for a poorer experience if someone else tries to access the app, and it's crashed. So just be nice. And with all that being said, we're going to jump into our getting started video so that you can learn everything that you need on your computer and we can get started with our course. I'll see you there.